Welcome back to another episode of Bob Montego. As a Jamaican living in the African diaspora, I want to see the continent of Africa do well. I'd love to see the dreams of the likes of Marcus Garvey for the Pan-Africanism of Africa become a reality. Um, Economists around the world are more and more projecting this to be a reality, that Africa by 2050 will become a very viable continent. Now, be mindful, Africa is not a country, it's a continent. Over 54 countries, nearly 100 different borders, thousands of different languages and dialects and different cultures, right? But I'd love to see Pan Africanism take hold in Africa, because if Africa does well, the diaspora, the African diaspora around the world, the Jamaica, the Barbados, the Trinidad, and so forth, Haiti, and the North American regions of United States and Canada and so forth would do well. Um, it is very possible though. But it used to be that whenever Africa, any country in Africa attempts any kind of Pan African movement, you would somehow find a leader with a bullet in the head, some sort of assassination or a coup or a civil war or smear campaigns. African leaders are not good and that this not to be trusted and blah blah blah, can't do this and so forth. But today, Africa is supported by its diaspora. Again, as a Jamaican and many other countries, but as a Jamaican, I can tell you we have a full-fledged, heartbeat for the continent. And, North Americans like Canadians and U.S., blacks and so forth are highly vested in this also. European, Africans in England, France, Germany, all over the place are very vested in this. And so this is more possible than it used to be. We see where different economies around the continent is now investing in women. Women used to be one of the most underutilized human resources on the continent. Now they're investing in women, in the young, in tech, in infrastructure. My God, infrastructure, energy sources, renewable energy and fossil, and so forth. All right. Many cultures are even abandoning, traditions that are toxic and not allowing them to actually move forward. And so we see the continent poised and ready for something new. Remember now, it has the youngest workforce in the world, right? And investing in these young people is getting ready to really pay off. I do believe we can do this. Go Africa. Thanks for watching Bob Montego, and if you have not yet subscribed, please like, share, subscribe, and tell someone about my videos. Thank you again for watching.